In this video, we will learn on how to enable auto calculation of reverse charge mechanism of GST in EPPS. Prerequisites. Ledger must be configured in Division Master for the system to give the finance impact. Location under which transaction needs to be booked must be GST registered and correct GST number to be provided. HSN rate must be defined against the HSN code to be used. Login to EPPS ERP. To review the ledger mapping, select EPPS Administration module. Two tabs will appear. Select FAS General Information. We see that required GLs have been mapped to the corresponding RCM fields. Let us now review whether the configuration has been done at the location. To check the GST configuration of the location, select Business Policy Management module. Select the location master. Select the required location, and click View. Review whether GST type is registered and GST number is inserted. Let us now review the rate configuration in HSN master. Select the HSN SAC master from Material Management module. Select the HSN code. You will notice that selected HSN has a rate of 28%. Scenario. Let's say we have availed transport services from a transport agency. Reverse charge mechanism is applicable on transport services, even though transport agency is GST registered. Let us book an invoice of transport charges. Before booking the transaction, we will check whether the supplier is registered under GST. Select Supplier Master from Material and Management module. Alternatively, we can review supplier using Approve Supplier Master from Finance and Accounting module. Select the required supplier and click View. In the Office Address section, we see that the supplier is GST registered. Let's create an expense voucher for the transport agency, using Direct Expense Voucher. Select Finance and Accounting module. Select the direct expense entry transaction. Select the location, EPPS code, and sub-EPPS code. And click the Create button. Select the ledger from the drop-down list. On doing so, the party details are auto-fetched. Enter the reference invoice amount, along with the other mandatory fields. And select the RCM applicable checkbox. Click on Add Ledger Details button. A pop-up window appears. Select the ledger, enter the amount, and click on Add button. Click Accept. The ledger details appear in the grid below. The HSN SAC code will be auto-fetched if it has been linked to the corresponding GL in the General Ledger Master. However, the user can select it manually. Click the Summarize and Finalize button. The Voucher Details tab will get enabled. Enter the narration. Click on Save and approve the transaction. A success window appears. Since the RCM applicable checkbox was ticked, the system will auto-calculate and post the RCM liability in the ledgers as configured in Division Master. Let us review the impacts in the ledger using Ledger Query Report of Finance and Accounting module. Select the Ledger Query Report. Select the location, GL name, and financial year from the drop-down list. Select the From Date and To Date from the calendar. And click the View button. The report is displayed. Click to view all data for this period. We see that system has auto-calculated and posted the RCM liability voucher as per the configuration done above. Click on the voucher to view the detailed impact. The liability has been created of 5,600 rupees, and the corresponding input to avail the credit, has been posted into the clearing account, as defined in the Division Configuration Master. To clear the liability, select the Accounts Payable transaction from the Finance and Accounting module. Select the required location, EPPS code as GST Payment Voucher, and sub-EPPS code as GST Payment Entry. And click the Create button. Select the required bank ledger from the drop-down list. On doing so, the GL name and SL name will be auto-fetched. Enter the reference invoice amount, along with the other mandatory fields. And click Select Voucher button. From the Voucher Details pop-up window, select the voucher from where the payment needs to be made, and click Accept. The voucher details appear in the grid. Click the Summarize and Finalize button. The Voucher Details tab will get enabled. Enter the narration. Click on Save and approve the transaction. A success window appears. Let us run the ledger report to view the impact in RCM ledger. For this, select the Finance and Accounting module. Select the Ledger Query Report. Select the location, GL name, and financial year from the drop-down list. Select the From Date and To Date from the calendar. And click the View button. The report is displayed. Click to view all data for this period. We will see that the RCM liability has been knocked off with GST Payment Voucher. Click on the voucher doc number to review the detail of the transaction. We see that, as soon as the payment has been made, the respective credit ledger gets impacted to avail the input credit. Hope this video will help you on how to configure for auto calculation and auto postings with respect to RCM. Thank you for watching.